Alright, so to prepare this mixture, this organic mixture that is able to make your hair, gray hair, to become black again, we need aloe vera. You can see pieces of aloe vera here, the leaves of aloe vera. We need the juice inside, and apart from that, we need original coconut oil. You can see that here, original one. This may be difficult for you to get from the market. To get the original one that is not mixed with any other ointment or oil. So preferably you can make your own coconut oil. If you want to learn how to make coconut oil, you can visit this channel once again. I will show you in another video how to make original coconut oil very easily. You do it yourself at home, DIY at home for original coconut oil. We made this one at home. House, we did not buy it, we made it. This is the original coconut oil that everybody can make. So check my channel, you see another video that teaches you how to do that easily at home. So this is original coconut oil. Now we have the aloe vera here. What we need from the aloe vera is the juice inside. We need the juice inside the aloe vera. So what we do is to peel the leaf, and then scoop out the juice inside. Scoop out the juice. You can see the juice inside. Do it carefully to get the juice. So we have the aloe vera juice here. Now scoop it out of the leaves. So this is the first ingredient. So what we do is to make sure that it becomes a liquid. We stir it very well so that it becomes liquid. All the solid part of it, we want to mash it. We mash it so that everything becomes liquid. Preferably you can put it inside blender and blend it smooth so that we can extract the liquid out of it. You can blend it smooth from your blender. Alright, so we have blender here now. We can actually blend it. Blend it smooth, then come back. What we have, start blending it. So we have it now. So we have the original coconut oil here. So we had equal quantity of coconut oil to the aloe vera juice. Same quantity. Then we mix it together thoroughly. forget to like and share the video. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to the channel and smash the notification bell so that you can get notified when we bring another interesting video like this. You do well to give us a thumbs up in this video. So like I said, you need to get original coconut oil that is not mixed with any other oil for this particular home hack. For this remedy, you need original coconut oil. So after mixing them thoroughly, then we pour it into a container like this. Aloe vera contains natural ingredients that can reverse premature gray hair and also massive hair growth. Now, after you got this, what you do is to use it to massage your hair. Massage your hair, your scalp, every part of your head. Massage your scalp and hair with the mixture. See? Something like this. Then use it to massage the hair thoroughly. You did this 2 to 3 times every week. After you massage your hair, you allow it to be there. Massage it at night, allow it to be there till morning, or you can leave it for like 3 or 4 hours, then you can go and wash it. If you massage it at night, then in the morning you can actually wash it away with any soap and water. So that is it. Thank you very much for watching the video. Don't forget to share it, make comments. I will respond to your comments. Until another time, bye bye.